Hi guys, another simple, I think more than simple, this is going to be just awesome. It's a ribeye steak cooked in a lovely sauce, and really you can just get it ready and you just put it on one side and you just forget about it. Put some mash with it or some veg with it, anything like that. I'm going to show you how to do it, really simple, nothing to worry about. Ribeye. I'll tell you how I came across this recipe. Ribeye is a lovely steak. You know, we had this trouble with the mad cow disease. I used to have my steak medium with the blood in it. And a friend of mine, in Maltese they call it laham hazin. He started going a bit funny. His legs and his arms, he couldn't feel them and they started going their own way. He went to hospital, 6 months, that's all it lasted. Laham hazin, they said. He had some meat that was bad. And they said that if you don't cook the meat properly with a little bit of blood, it doesn't cook properly. It scared me. From now on I did this, I love steak, and I did it this way. I'm going to share it with you, I hope you like it. I know I'm not going to change the people that love the steaks with the blood in it. I used to love it. Anyway, let me show you what I've got. Ribeye steak. I cut it in half, so it's got some nice fat in it. Onions, basil in Maltese, mushrooms, some red and green pepper, thyme, garlic, some beer, little bit of stock, oxo. We've got some olive oil, classic olive oil, and zarmel, and some chili pepper. I was thinking about using this smoked paprika. I might still do it. I'm not too sure yet. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it. We'll put it on the GoPro so you can see a bit closer. Olive oil. What you got to do? Let's get it up to heat. What you're going to do is sort of steal that steak a little bit. Even though I'm going to cook it. I'm going to cook it for 2 hours in this lovely sauce. You know, the chilies and the beer is going to get into it. You're not going to get any of that sort of redness. That's what I'm trying to get away from. It's going to be a lovely, soft steak. And you don't have to use ribeye. You could use something a bit cheaper if you wanted to. Anyway, let's get this up to heat. Come back in a second. Okay guys, we're going to cook. You want to hear that noise? That's the most beautiful noise. Cook the onions. I sometimes find better not to put the garlic in too early because it gets that sort of, although some recipes are nice with that garlic, sort of a little bit, that's sort of brownish, it gets a nice taste on it. Let's cook the onions for a little bit. Okay, the onions are translucent. Let's set them on one side. We're going to seal the steaks. Season the steaks, salt and pepper, little bit of chili. The idea is, guys, you're going to seal the steaks in. Give them a little bit of a char. Okay, we're going to put the onion in, guys. Garlic. I don't put the garlic in too early. I don't want it to burn. Mushrooms. Red and green pepper. Little bit of stock, 150 stock. Then we cover the meat with beer. Simple as that, guys. Cover it, simmer it for about 1 hour, let everything blend into each other. Really, not even more than 1 hour if you want. 1 to 2 hours, just it depends on the steak, how good the steak is. If it's a cheap steak, leave it for a little bit longer. Everything gets into it. Just after about an hour, put the soya sauce in. It gives it that really nice taste. Okay, guys, we'll come back in about an hour, something like that. We're going to put some soya sauce in, and then we're going to taste everything together. Okay, guys, cheers. It's ready. Wow. What a fantastic smell. You know, I hope YouTube comes out with this sort of smell-o-vision. Put it on the plate and I'm going to show you. Wow. Everything is really come together nicely. Mushrooms, the peppers. Can smell the beer as well. The alcohol is all burnt off. Garlic, onions, mushrooms. Yeah, everything is there. Let's give it a cut. You don't need a knife. Look at this. Let's pour on that. Let's put all that goodness on top. Mmm. So tender. Ribeye steak in a beautiful sauce, beer, stock, and it's got green and red peppers, onions, garlic. You got that little touch of soya in there. Look at this, guys. You don't need a knife. Just breaks apart. Oh, gorgeous, guys. Try it. Hope you enjoyed the videos, guys. The beer's really got into the taste. You know, sometimes I would suggest use like a really strong beer. This is the only one I could find. The stronger the beer, the more that sort of penetrates the steak. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, I do videos from all over Malta, adventures, food. I go over the festas, anything that's happening in Malta. I really try, but I work as well, so not always I can make it. Follow me on Facebook, follow me on Holiday Malta. Go over there. If you've got any adventures in Malta, please post them over there, Holiday Malta. If you need anything, give me a chat, give me a message on Facebook, Englishman in Malta. I'll really try and get back to you. Drop it in the comments what you think about this steak. It's fantastic. And you know what is? It's so tender. The beer really gets into it. Bye, guys. See you soon. Thank you very much. Englishman in Malta.
Englishman from Malta, and I will show you all the signs. So please subscribe to my channel and give me lots of likes.